Well, there's good old Norman. Norman got himself a signal. Let's see what his first signal is. Yeah, like I said, guys, this place is just on a whim. You know, plans got fouled, but we're still digging stuff.
Come on, girl.
Somewhere. You know him, he got the 800 just like me. Oh, there you go. Oh, he got an engine.
I got engines.
Got an engine. There's the reverse. And the shield's gonna tell me it's newer because it's got the big shield. And I think 1884. I'm seeing it right, I'm not sure, guys, but we'll clean it up at the